All right, good morning, everybody. It is about 5:15 in the morning right now. I am on my way out to go do a hiking and trekking trip into the forest, having another day with Mother Nature again. I am going with a group of people this time because this is a new location I've never been to. So I want to go with people that's been there before. So next time I can go on my own or take you guys with me. With that, let's follow. So last night I went and got me a full tank of gas already, so we should be good to go. Here we go, donning the gear. So we're gonna go meet everybody at the meeting point, which is about 25 minutes from here. Let's go. Crossing the Dragon Bridge with the sun rising behind me. Woo! Yeah, there you go. Beautiful morning. Woo! So we've made it to the meeting point right here at the Nam O Beach Resort. Nam O is right behind me right there. See that? That's Nam O. And let me go show you guys the beach really quick. Here we go. Here is Nam O Beach. That's Monkey Mountain over there. There's the sun rising. And far, far, far away there, you can see the silhouette of Da Nang City over there. That's where I live. Not too far, guys. Not too far. Yeah, we are just waiting for everybody to get here, and then we're gonna make our way into. I think it is in the general direction of the last trek I went near Bana Hills. So stand by, guys. Can't wait to share with you guys the video. Here we go. We're gonna make our way to the area where we're gonna start the hike. So we made it here, guys. This is the same area where I did the hiking for charity last time, but I think it's going to be a different split off to get to the Wind Cave. So let's follow. And right here, we're going to follow this path up into there. Can't wait. It's going to be a beautiful place. And this is the group we're going with today.
Rồi mới 6 giờ sáng mà đó. 7 giờ.
Cho 6 giờ sáng mới hẳn đó tự nhiên.
Đổ nước đi.
Back in the wild, everybody. Having a day with Mother Nature. Guys, crystal clear water. Look at this, everybody. Isn't this beautiful?
Đưa cái tay lên nhẹ nhẹ đây. Đưa cái tay nhẹ đây. Đẹp, đẹp, đẹp. Đầu quay cái mặt lại cho anh. Đúng rồi, như.
Chụp cái
Không phải là sạch mà là chơi á. Này đứng ở dưới đâu?
ok rồi thổi thân đúng rồi tiêu dầu đúng rồi đã lật nha, lật xuống mi á,
Xíu nữa mở đường chỗ này nè. Xíu cái cúc á, đầu ở chỗ đó là cái hố á.
để mai mốt hôm nay 10 phút này nè.
What an experience, right? So the bridge.
Đi tới chỗ điểm số 2 của mình đi.
Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Man, 6 kilometers in, 6 kilometer out, uneven terrain, loving it. Woo! Right here, guys, this is when your military training skills come in handy. This is where your SEER training will all come in handy in the time of need to provide first aid, navigation, land nav, and all that stuff right here. Woo. I hear water, guys. I hear water running. I'm sweating, but we're almost there, I think. Ôi, chỗ này chụp đẹp nè. Đó.
Có bạn nào đi không? cẩn thận nha.
Đâu lắm nghe em. Nào.
Đừng có ăn kia đâu.
Tay này, nhìn này. Tay bắn vào đây nào. Tay đấy. Tay bắn vào tay nào. Tay này, giữ tay nghe chưa? Đây, rồi, tay. Here's everybody. Crystal clear water. Woo. There we go. We're going into that little cave right there. Look at this place. Crystal clear water. We made it. I think that's we have to go. We're gonna go all the way in there. All right, everybody. Here we are. We're gonna go deeper into the cave. Show you guys what's in there. Here is the cave. Let's go. Right here, everybody. This is it. Let me know what you think. We made it. Hang Gió right here, everybody. Woo! Look at this crystal clear water, everybody. Woo! Let's go. Okay. My phone's about to die, but now you have an idea. Welcome to Hang Gió, everybody. Right here. Woo! Welcome to Hang Gió. I'm sorry my phone is about to die, but we made it. I cannot wait to share some photos with you guys. Peace out. Check this place out, everybody. Woo!
Bên trong. Đi ngồi đi, để đi ngồi, đúng rồi. Để cho nó xuống, đúng rồi, đúng rồi. Đúng xác. Đúng rồi, đúng rồi, đúng rồi. Đây, không qua tiếp.
Rót nước này, rót nước này. Rót nước này. Đây bé này hết, đây bé này.
Alright, we had fun. Now we're gonna make our way back. Again, if you like what you see, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, like, share out my videos, and I look forward to seeing you guys on my next video.